That's the start of the men's 1500 meters section 1. There is a lot of guys in this seat, 15, busy heat, so it's going to be important somebody gets out in front and makes that.
Let's go, Evan! Come on, Evan!
This race is 3 3/4 laps around the track. Out in first place is Kevin Gerald, closely followed by Luke Massard and Josh Razor round out the top 3. That's roughly a 65-second first 400 meters. Go around for 2 more laps to make. There's movement in the middle of the pack as the guys from Butler and Dayton come up on Miami's top 3. And that's Luke Massard just passing Kevin Gerald, first place, one of the final 500 meters, giving some support as he comes through. Butler's Hayden Renber goes up and lead nicely. Luke Massard is about a 5-meter gap, going in the final 400 meters. Dayton's Owen Cook is now moving up to the third place. That's Butler's Hayden Renber, Owen Cook is from Dayton, over past Massard in the final 200 meters. This is going to be a close battle down the home stretch. That was a brilliant tactical run from Hayden Renber from Butler. Good job also to Owen Coggis for giving the battle down that last stretch.